So I really think it's important to talk about some of these things to give people, kind of the information they need to understand what to recognize out there, because, it's going to become more and more difficult moving forward to decipher what is true and what is an AI-generated false narrative. Using information to bring the truth out there. And this is his response. He said, as to guys like you, he means people in the media or the alt media, you are in what we call reality-based community, which are people who believe the solutions emerge from your judicious study of discernible reality. That's not the way the world really works anymore. We are an empire now, and when we act, we create our own reality. And while you are studying that reality, judiciously as you will, we will act again, creating other new realities, which you can study too. And that's how things will sort out. We're history's actors, and you, all of you, will be left to just study what we do.
When you arrive at work the next day, a somber cloud has fallen over the office. Along with emails, text messages, and GPS location data, the government has subpoenaed employees' brainwave data from the past year. They have compelling evidence that one of your coworkers has committed massive wire fraud.
Everything in that video that you just saw is based on technology that is already here today.
All that's left for us is to be able to access what they have granted us access to in terms of libraries. So what we're looking at here, John, in real time, right before our eyes while we were sleeping, is digital book burning.
A constitutional republic, not a democracy. The ideal of a democracy is universal equality. The ideal of a constitutional republic is individual liberty. A democracy always degenerates into dictatorship, which promises government-guaranteed equality and security, but it delivers nothing but poverty and serfdom for the people it robs and rules.
There's something else that they're programming, and that's called Operation Jigsaw.